Hello everyone, welcome to this video. There are 600 plus free courses which are available free for engineering students. You can see here aerospace engineering, biomedical engineering, biotechnology engineering, chemical engineering, chemistry, and coming down civil engineering and also computer science engineering. Likewise, for all the branches of engineering students, there are free courses available that will be conducted by IIT professors. So I have given the link in the description for this document. You just go here and click here to download the sheet. You just click on that. You can download the sheet in Excel format like this. Once you get the Excel format, open that. Then you can find the course whichever you want easily. So this is provided by Swayam. This is a government initiative. So here you can find all the courses whichever you want and you can do it free. If you want certification, then only you need to pay the fees of 1000 rupees and you can get an certificate through attending an examination. So here is the downloaded Excel sheet. Here you can find all the courses list. You can see here, this is discipline. Just follow what I am going to show here to sort out with respect to the engineering branches are concerned. Click here and then go to filter. In this filter now you can choose whichever branch you want. You can see aerospace, agriculture engineering, applied mechanics, architecture and planning, civil, biomedical. So if you want to choose particular engineering course here related to engineering branch, unselect all and then come down. If you want electronics and electrical related courses, click on only electrical and electronic branches. So then you will see only courses related to the electronics and electrical engineering. You can see here electric vehicles, electromagnetic waves, fundamentals of power electronics, signals and system, and CMOS VLSI design, digital IC design, analog IC design, control engineering, signals and system. So these are the courses available freely and you can see here which institute is going to conduct this course. IIEST and IISc, IIT, Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, similarly IIT, all the IITs and triple ITs you can see here. So these are the courses conducted by IIT professors and here they have given the duration also in this column. 4-week duration course, 8-week duration course, 12-week duration course like that, and they have given the start date also. All these courses are starting from January 23rd and some courses are starting in February also, you can see here, and also you can join this from January 30th, means till January 30th they allow for joiners, and exam date they have also given and end date is given, and it is related to UG or PG, means BE or MTech like that. You can see the details here. This is conducted by Swayam. It is a government initiative. It is a program initiated by Government of India. You can sign in here by registering with your name, college and everything, and you can take up the course. If you want, you can search over here also. If you want any Java course, you can search like this by putting search keyword. It will list out all the courses available. Similarly, if you want any digital electronic course, you can search like digital electronics. So you can find some digital electronics related courses also. Likewise, you can see here digital electronics and microprocessor is there, and if you just search digital, you may find some more courses related to digital electronics and all, you can see here. So likewise you can search and go through the courses. These are very much helpful for you guys. Even it is helpful during the placements also, if you put these courses certifications in your resume. This gives weightage to your resume, and this is anyhow it is a central government initiative. This makes sense doing courses in these platforms. So this is the Swayam platform. The link of this portal is also given in the description, and also the course list which I have shown. I will give you the link to download this also. I will show you how these courses are going to work. See here I am showing you the course which I have taken earlier. So you can access to the course whenever you want once you register to that course. So once you click on go to course, you can see this is the previous year 2021 course. So which I have taken in 2021 year. You can see here quiz 0 and the assignment. You can see week 1 to week 8. All the course material also you can see here. So this is the previous assignment which I have done. Here you will be having question and 4 answers you need to choose out of those 4. It is like multiple choice questions, and you can see some programming assignment also here. If you come down, yes, this is the programming assignment of week 4. They have given the question like this. So here you need to write the code, and once you write the code, you can simulate it here. 4 out of 4 test cases passed, that's why the score is 100, like that. You are able to write the code here once the assignment is open for submission. Here it is already closed in 2020, that's why it is not showing. This is how you can take any programming subject also. So it is very much useful for engineering students. Just go to swayam.gov.in and search for courses whichever you want. Otherwise, the link I have given for list of courses, you go to there and search for the subject whichever you want. Thank you.